Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Oxygen YouTube page. We are at Sunday, 13 July, and we are here with a weekly analysis of crypto, gold, and US oil. I've already uploaded the video for BTC, ETH, XRP, and SOL analysis. The I will put the video link on the comments, and I will pin that link. Please go through it. There's a weekly in detailed analysis which I have put. Okay. Now I'm at gold. Although my analysis for gold seems to be almost same what we did for the weekly, because if you see my last week trade, which I started still running, and it has given us very good profit, where I have booked 80% already, and rest I'm carrying my overall profit target is way higher than this. Of course, the price action will be moving zigzag, but let's do the analysis again, a fresh analysis. What I didn't want to touch this chart. That is why what I have done is I have selected the different gold, different exchange gold here, okay, and then let's do the analysis here. Because it's a weekly, that's why let's start with the weekly chart. On a weekly chart, it was going up again, and now looks like there are some price action which gold is trying to create. By looking at, we can understand that a gold is taking the support again and again from here, okay, and for gold again and again the resistance is getting created somewhere here, okay. Now because it had taken so down sub yeah. Okay. So as I always do in my all the analysis, I just put this in yellow color because the fib I will use for the red color. So let's call it, let's, that's a yellow color, and this also in yellow. Okay. Is there anything else which is getting visible on weekly? No. Let's go to daily chart then. On daily chart, the prices are like this. This. So on a daily, if you ask me, since 16th April, the gold is hovering between two levels. So can we call it sideways? Yes, we can call it sideways on a daily time frame. What we are gonna do here, because it's a daily and the price is again coming here taking support. So what we can do, we can take a fib here from here till here. This is my fib area. Okay. What let me tell it as a major fib area. Okay. So this has become my major fib area. Yeah. Let me delete this and let me make it the fib color box. Okay. What else we know about gold? We also know that on a daily chart, is there any pattern? This? No. Is this the pattern? Is this some pattern? Can we see that? This, this, this? No. Is this the pattern? No. So on a daily, is there any trend line? Yes, there is one trend line. Let's see if it's a good trend line. No, it's not a good trend line. So on a daily, is there nothing else which is getting? So we'll go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, the prices was taking this as a trend line, and it was very good trend line. Okay, 1 2 3 touches. So it was 4 hours trend line. It is clearly visible that 4-hour trend line has been breakout happened, and there is no retest at least on 4 hours. Okay, so we have to wait for a retest here for sure. On 4 hours, there's no retest clearly. Okay, now is there anything else which is happening on 4 hours? Can we make something like this? This, 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 and this? No, not a good pattern. Is there anything else which is happening in gold? There's a another trend line, something like this is coming. Okay, one touch, two touch, three touch. It's a good trend line. Okay, so what we have two trend lines on 4 hours, and there is a clear cut of fib area rejection. The fib from fib, the prices is trying to go up. It has not taken a retest here. Okay, so the retest prices can come back again, and then we will see what happens. But for now, let's go to 2 hours now, or 3 hours. Let's see on 3 hours what is happening here. Mm, okay, nothing so great. It's fine. Let me take to 2 hours. On 2 hours, okay, in 2 hours, something like this is happening. The right shoulder has not been created yet, but the right shoulder can be created, okay? Or is there anything else happening on a longer time frame? Um, no, nothing. I don't see anything else. A trend line is good. Fine. Okay. Let me take to 1 hour now. On 1 hour, okay. From here to here, the prices also went. Should we take a fib of this as well? Let me take. From here, which is this area, to this area, where the price is currently hovering, and this is a very good area. Good that we have noticed this. This has become, and this will become our selling area. Okay. So first, let me put that it's a major fib area. Okay. And let me delete this and let me clear it out. Okay. So gold is simplest of all the way I see. Three things which we are seeing in the gold chart. One, there is a trend line breakout which happened already, no retest. So the first thing which I see, the gold may take a turn here, can come here, or it should not break this. Or even if it's a break, there is a fib is waiting here. So the gold can behave like this, where the gold can spend some time like this, 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 can take a turn here, okay, and can come for a retest of it, although it's the end of this trend line, the true trend line. So possible that again may take a jump from here, or if it's break this is the point which will decide that what is going to happen with the gold. If it's taking, or if something like this, the W it's create, the prices will go up. Your first target will be this. If you take a down from a long entry, then prices behave like this. Okay. Already one rejection have taken, then the prices can go like this. Okay. So the gold for me, first bearish, then bullish. Okay. So the gold first can come till here and it can take a rejection from there. Then it will come on a 4 hours, both the trend line. Then it will come to our major fib area. On a major fib area, it will be decided what gold is gonna do. If let's say the major fib area is also gets broken, means that this support is also gets broken, then the gold will come here, which I don't think so. In my opinion, the gold can be performing like this. So what option we have for gold? We have option one, number this, where the short entry should be created like this. Okay. The target will be this. This is my option one. And option one should be activated a little from here. And the SL should be here. Okay. This is my option one. So what we call it? Option one. Okay. So if this is my option one, what can be my option two? The option two that it breaks this level also, which is highly unlikely because the retracement is quite needed here, right? So my option two, if this is my option one, my option two is definitely to buying from this level, which is gonna be long from this area, okay, until this area, okay, and my SL will be somewhere here. This is my option two. Okay. Now, what is my option three? Option three is gonna be in case this above major fib area gets that's breakout happens, then I'm gonna take a long entry from here. Okay. And the SL is gonna be here. I have to take the major entries here, and then my target will be this. This is my option three. Okay. Now, if the option one, option two, option three, all three will be done, then we will see what we need to do with the gold, because then gold is ready to fly. Okay. And we will see where the gold goes. So this is overall what the next week is going to do for gold, guys. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please do comment in this video and I'll be able to create another video for this. I have already posted Ethereum, BTC, XRP, Sol analysis. If you have any other crypto coin analysis or any other chart where legitimately I can do analysis, please call it out. I will do analysis. Please keep liking, please keep subscribing the Trading Oxygen, and I promise I'll bring more and more videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye.